Hi, Linda here. Welcome back to the Healthy Asian Cuisine Cooking channel. Today we are making a mild, creamy vegan jackfruit curry. Let's get started with step number 1, preparing the spice paste. To begin, roughly chop the shallot, garlic and chilli. Using a mortar and pestle, pound the chopped ingredients until they break down into small pieces. It doesn't need to become a smooth paste. Then set it aside in a small bowl. Step 2. Let's prepare all other ingredients. Cut the small tomatoes into half and then slice the pineapple into bite-sized pieces. Note, you can use any kind of small tomato. In step 3, let's cook the curry. To begin, heat the oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add the spice paste and fry until softened and lightly browned for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring regularly. Add the cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves, and curry leaves and stir to mix. Next, add the curry powder. Stir for a few seconds until the spices release their fragrance. Add 500 ml of light coconut milk and stir to deglaze the brown spices that stick to the bottom of the pan. Then add the jackfruits. Bring everything to a boil and then turn down the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Note, to make the light coconut milk, just add 250 ml of thick coconut milk with 250 ml of water. Next, add the pineapple and then stir to mix. Add the thick coconut milk and mix evenly with all the ingredients in the pan. Bring everything to a simmer. At this moment, add the salt and coconut sugar. Then stir to mix everything again. Test the dish and add more sugar and salt if needed according to your preference. Stir it, then throw in the small tomato and mix again. Lather out the jackfruit curry into a bowl and garnish with some coriander leaves, followed by some toasted mustard seeds. Note, you can toast the mustard seeds with or without oil in a frying pan. When the seeds start popping, it is considered ready and toasted. Serve your delicious curry with fresh chilies or pickled jalapeno on the side and rice or flat breads. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click that little bell. You will be the first to know whenever a new video comes out. If you try this recipe and you love it, tag me on social media. I enjoy seeing you take this recipe and make it your own. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cooking!